Hi beauties, welcome back to my channel. I am back with another skincare product, which name is the Ordinary Buffet plus Copper Peptides 1% Serum. This serum is an advanced age-supporting serum, specially targets signs of aging, crow's feet, with additional antioxidant support. Copper Peptides is truly a holy grail and life-changing serum removes signs of aging. The question is why Copper Peptides? The answer is simple because these peptides have anti-inflammatory, antioxidant, and collagen-stimulating properties, which make them ideal for targeting signs of aging. When applied topically, copper peptides help boost the production of the proteins collagen and elastin, which can smooth the look of wrinkles and firm your skin. Studies have shown that copper peptides deserve a spot in any anti-aging skincare routine. Copper peptides also have wound healing benefits and even help break down excessive collagen in scar tissue. The formula incorporates 5 well-studied peptide technologies, skin-friendly amino acids, and multiple hyaluronic acids. For those looking for an all-in-one solution for skincare, Buffet plus Copper Peptides 1% helps to improve the appearance of fine and dynamic lines and supports your skin's overall elasticity, smoothness, and firmness. And because this advanced serum contains direct copper peptides, it also targets signs of aging that are typically associated with oxidative stress, resulting in radiant, healthier-looking skin. The serum contains copper peptides, which support a wide range of skin health functions like supporting normal immune function, collagen synthesis, fibroblast production, and anti-inflammatory responses. It has matrixyl, which reduces the look of static and dynamic wrinkles. It also contains argirelox, which targets the appearance of fine lines and wrinkles. This copper peptide serum works to improve the look of dynamic and fine lines and supports skin elasticity, firmness, and smoother skin. Let's talk about its texture and color. The blue color of the serum is due to the copper peptides and goes away once you massage it into your skin. The texture is lightweight and absorbs quickly. It doesn't feel heavy on skin and dries to a slightly tacky finish that works well under my moisturizer, SPF, and makeup products. How to use it? Apply to the entire face in the AM and PM after cleansing. I would recommend this serum if you are looking for a way to target multiple signs of aging. Thanks for watching.